Welcome to this video on how to apologize politely. I'm Annapurna, and I'll be guiding you through different ways to express your apologies with sincerity and respect. The simplest and most common apology is, "I'm sorry." This is a straightforward, sincere, and all-purpose way to apologize for a mistake. To emphasize your feelings, you can say, "I'm really sorry about that." This phrase communicates a deeper level of regret. "My apologies" is a polite and slightly more formal way to say sorry. Use this in professional or formal settings. If your action wasn't intentional, try saying, "I didn't mean to do that." This clarifies that the mistake was accidental. "Please forgive me" is used when you are asking the other person to let go of the mistake or offense. To own up to a specific error, say, "I'm sorry for the mistake." This is a direct acknowledgement of the error. "That was my fault" is a way of taking direct responsibility for something that went wrong. If you want to share that the situation has caused you guilt, you can say, "I feel bad about this." It expresses your remorse. For a heartfelt and sincere apology, use the phrase, "I truly apologize." This conveys depth of feeling. "Sorry for the inconvenience" is a common phrase in customer service and other formal contexts when a problem has been caused. Acknowledging that your action was wrong can be done by saying, "I shouldn't have done that." When you wish you could take back your action, express it with, "I regret it." This shows remorse for the decision. "I take responsibility" shows maturity by accepting the blame for the situation or mistake. Finally, reassure the person it won't happen again by saying, "I'll be careful next time." This shows a commitment to changing your actions. Let's explore some stronger and more formal apologies, beginning with, "I hope you can forgive me." This is a gentle but earnest request for forgiveness. For a formal and honest apology, use, "I sincerely apologize for my mistake." This expresses genuine regret for the error. To make a very respectful and serious apology, you can say, "Please accept my deepest apologies." When accepting complete fault, state, "I take full responsibility for this." This shows accountability. If you wish to express deep regret, use the phrase, "I truly regret what happened." "I owe you an apology" is a way of admitting that you should apologize for your actions or words. If you are feeling very sorry for what you did, say, "I deeply regret my actions." Admitting you could have done better is simply stated as, "I didn't handle that well." To fully accept blame, use the clear statement, "That was completely my fault." For realizing the error and acknowledging it, you can say, "I understand my mistake now." Commitment to improvement is key. Express this by saying, "I'll make sure this doesn't happen again." Thanking them for waiting or being understanding can be done with, "I appreciate your patience." To appreciate their support and understanding, you can use, "I value your understanding." Another way to commit to improving is by stating, "I'll do better moving forward." Finally, when saying sorry for trouble caused, use, "I apologize for any inconvenience caused." Let's look at professional and business-friendly apologies. Start by clearly accepting responsibility. "I take accountability for this." A polite and formal apology for any setting is, "Please accept my sincere apologies." To apologize for any trouble you have caused, say, "I regret any inconvenience caused." If you've missed something, a professional way to say sorry is, "I apologize for the oversight." To clarify that the mistake was not on purpose, state, "This was completely unintentional." For a strong commitment to responsibility, use, "I take full accountability for this." Show appreciation for their understanding with the phrase, "I appreciate your understanding." When promising immediate action to fix an issue, say, "This will be corrected immediately." If there has been confusion, apologize with, "I apologize for any confusion caused." Acknowledging the other person's worry shows empathy. "I understand your concern." To assure a quick resolution, use the phrase, "I will ensure this is resolved promptly." For delays, a simple and effective apology is, "I regret the delay." Thanking someone for their patience, especially during a difficulty, is, "Thank you for bearing with me." Give a strong commitment to preventing future problems by saying, "I assure you this won't happen again." In this way, you will assure that the problem which occurred now will not happen again in future. Thank you for watching this video. We hope these phrases help you apologize politely and effectively in various situations. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment the word which you use most. Do follow us for more videos. Thank you.